What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to go through the Grand Tour-Pak Luggage, Luggage Rack and Backrest pads. Turn your touring model into a complete cross-country touring machine with this Grand Tour-Pak luggage. It features a streamlined profile that complements the sleek design of your bike. The carrier is factory drilled for the wraparound backrest, which is sold separately and equipped with hinges, one-touch latch, luggage box mat and lid tether. An optional LED rear light kit is also available. Next, I have the Grand Tour-Pak Premium Luggage Rack. This full-size rack is designed to complement a Grand Tour-Pak luggage carrier equipped with an armrest-style passenger backrest. This rack protects both the Tour-Pak carrier's lid and passenger backrest from scratches. It is constructed of lightweight steel tubing with high-quality welded joints, and all necessary mounting hardware is included. Whether you prefer it in gloss black or hand-polished chrome, this rack will complement your motorcycle's style. We also have the Airwing Grand Tour-Pak Luggage Rack for similar functionality, but in a sleek aerodynamic design. It is also available in gloss black or chrome. Now that we've gone over the luggage and luggage racks, let's look at these backrest pads. First, I have the Grand Tour-Pak backrest pad in smooth. It is shaped to surround your passenger in comfort. The curved shape cradles the back and the integrated side wings fit naturally beneath your passenger's arms for added support. It is easy to install and the isolation mounts reduce contact between the pad and your luggage. The clean, smooth styling complements most seating surfaces. And finally, I have the Grand Tour-Pak heated lower backrest pad. Keep your passenger comfortable and warm on those cool weather rides. It has been designed to replace the original equipment lower backrest pad on the Grand Tour-Pak luggage carrier. This pad is the perfect complement to a heated seat. This heated backrest pad has off, high and low heat settings, which are controlled in tandem with the passenger heat seat switch. It does require dealer installation to ensure software connectivity. Check the website to make sure these products fit your motorcycle. For more information, head to harley-davidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.